In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Grammarly account. If you juggle personal and work profiles, knowing how to swap quickly keeps your suggestions, documents, and billing exactly where they belong. We'll start right inside Grammarly's web app. First, open Grammarly in your browser. In the lower left corner of the dashboard, open the account area and choose Sign Out. Grammarly will ask you to confirm. Choose Yes, Sign Out. This cleanly ends the current session so the next sign in won't snap back to the same profile. You'll land on Grammarly's homepage, click Login to start fresh. If Grammarly recognizes accounts you've used before, you'll see a simple chooser. Pick the account you want to use now. If the one you need isn't listed, select Sign In with a different account to enter new details. On the Sign In screen, type the email for the account you want to switch to, then click Continue. Depending on how that account was created, you may be asked for a password, a code, or to continue with a provider. If you prefer to authenticate through a provider, you can also choose Google, Facebook, Apple, or single sign-on from this page. Let's walk through Google as an example. Click Sign In with Google. The Google account chooser appears. Select the Google profile that's tied to the Grammarly account you want. If you don't see it, choose the option to use another Google account and sign in. After confirming, you'll be redirected back to Grammarly. You'll know the switch worked when your Grammarly dashboard reloads under the correct profile. A quick way to verify is to check your avatar or subscription badge in the lower left corner. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Always sign out first so the browser won't auto-reconnect to the previous profile. If the wrong Google account keeps appearing, switch accounts in the Google chooser before you continue. And if your organization uses single sign-on, pick that option so you're routed through your company login. Finally, if you use Grammarly's browser extension or desktop app, they follow whichever account you're signed into on the web. No extra setup required after the switch. That's it. You've successfully switched your Grammarly account and you're ready to keep writing with the right settings, documents, and plan.